This single slice of bread is worth more than many store-bought fertilizers. It's the secret behind lush geraniums and petunias, covered with colorful blooms all season long. If you're dreaming of fuller plants and flower-filled balconies, you have to try this simple homemade fertilizer. Stale whole wheat, rye, or white bread works perfectly for this recipe. Tear the bread into small pieces and place them in a 1-quart, 1-liter glass jar. Pour in warm, but not hot, water until the bread is covered. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir well. The sugar speeds up fermentation, creating valuable nutrients that help plants grow stronger. Seal the jar and let it sit for 48 hours. During this time, the bread will ferment and release compounds that encourage beneficial microorganisms to thrive in the soil. After 2 days, strain the liquid into a clean container. Add 2 cups, about 500 milliliters, of water to dilute the mixture. This step is important because it makes the fertilizer gentle enough for delicate plant roots. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk provides calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, which promote healthy root development, strengthen stems, and help keep the leaves deep green and vibrant. Mix everything thoroughly until the liquid is completely blended. Pour the finished fertilizer into a watering can and apply it directly around the roots of your geraniums and petunias every 2 to 3 weeks. With regular use, your plants will become healthier, fuller, and produce far more flowers. Their root systems will grow stronger, allowing them to absorb nutrients more efficiently. The result is dense, vigorous geraniums and petunias covered in beautiful blooms that will become the highlight of your balcony or garden. Stop throwing away watermelon rinds. Turn them into a natural homemade fertilizer that provides your plants with valuable nutrients. With regular use, your geraniums and petunias can grow fuller, produce more flower buds, and reward you with vibrant blooms all season long. After you've enjoyed your watermelon, take 2 handfuls of watermelon rind and cut it into smaller pieces. Watermelon rind contains potassium along with small amounts of nitrogen, which is why many gardeners use it in homemade plant fertilizers. Place the pieces in a blender. Next, add 2 banana peels. They're rich in potassium and phosphorus, 2 nutrients that are especially important for flowering plants. The next ingredient is used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain magnesium and small amounts of nitrogen, and they can also help slightly acidify the soil. Add 2 tablespoons to the blender. Now prepare the shells from 2 eggs. They're rich in calcium, which helps support healthy plant growth and development. Crush the eggshells into smaller pieces and add them to the blender as well. Pour in 4 cups of room temperature, dechlorinated water, and blend for about 1 minute until the mixture is smooth. Then pour everything into a watering can or bucket and add 4 more cups of water. Stir well to combine. Use this homemade fertilizer to water your geraniums and petunias once a week, preferably in the evening, pouring it directly onto the soil. Avoid getting the mixture on the leaves or flowers. With regular care, geraniums and petunias can grow more vigorously, stay healthy, and produce abundant blooms throughout the growing season. This homemade fertilizer combines ingredients rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and small amounts of nitrogen, making it an excellent natural plant food for geraniums and petunias. Dissolve in water and water your geraniums. They'll be covered in flowers like never before. Since I started using this fertilizer, my geraniums have been producing countless new buds and growing beautifully. Take some dry yeast from your kitchen cupboard. Put a teaspoon of yeast into a small bowl, then add a teaspoon of sugar. Pour in a little water and mix everything until the yeast dissolves. Yeast contains B vitamins, organic iron, amino acids, and trace elements, making it an excellent fertilizer for potted plants. Once the yeast is dissolved, pour the mixture into a bottle of water. Shake well to combine everything. Now, water your flowers with this mixture. You'll see how much they grow after using this fertilizer. Yeast works as a gentle organic fertilizer. It provides amino acids, proteins, and enzymes that support plant growth and health. Water your geraniums with this yeast solution every 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure to pour it around the base of the plants, avoiding the leaves. and enjoy beautiful flowers all summer long. Never throw away a used dish sponge. It can be like gold for your plants. This simple trick helps flowers retain moisture longer, grow faster, and stay lush and beautiful for a long time. Don't throw used sponges in the trash because they can be incredibly useful for plant care. Sponges store water extremely well, helping the soil stay properly moist and protecting roots from drying out, especially during warm days. First, prepare a larger bowl and pour water into it. Add a few drops of dish soap to help thoroughly clean the sponges from dirt and grease residue. Then place the sponges in the water and leave them for a moment to soak well. After that, squeeze them thoroughly and cut them into smaller pieces. Prepare another bowl, add the cut sponges, mix in some soil, and combine everything very well. Next, prepare a plastic flower pot or container with holes at the bottom. Place a few sponge pieces at the very bottom so they can retain moisture and support the plant roots. Only then add your favorite flowers or seedlings and gently cover them with the prepared mixture. Finally, water everything lightly. Thanks to this, your plants become stronger, greener, and full of beautiful flowers. These simple sponges can help your plants grow better and keep moisture in the pot much longer. Add this to your geraniums, and they'll reward you with a sea of lush green leaves and masses of beautiful flowers. If you've noticed that the leaves are turning pale yellow or almost white, while the veins remain a deep green, it may be a sign that your plant is lacking iron. This condition is called chlorosis and often occurs when geraniums are unable to absorb nutrients properly from the soil. The first solution is incredibly simple. The problem is often not a lack of iron in the soil itself, but rather the plant's inability to take it up. One common culprit is hard tap water, which raises the soil's pH and blocks access to many essential minerals. Prepare about 2 cups of settled or filtered water and add 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. Mix thoroughly and water your geraniums with the solution. The mildly acidic mixture helps lower the soil pH, making it easier for the roots to absorb valuable nutrients. However, if the soil is already severely depleted, it's worth preparing a natural iron-rich fertilizer. Take an ordinary jar and place a few heavily rusted nails, old screws, or a piece of steel wool inside. Add 1 level teaspoon of citric acid, then fill the jar with water and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. After some time, you'll notice the water turning a yellowish-brown color. This is a sign that an easily absorbable iron solution is forming. Strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a fine sieve to remove any small metal particles, then use it to water your geraniums. Regular use of these simple methods can help the leaves regain their rich green color, while encouraging the plant to produce plenty of new buds and beautiful blooms once again.